Good morning, one and all. I welcome each and every one of you to this 78th Independence Day. Today is very auspicious day because this is a national festival which is celebrated all across India with great respect and fervor towards our country. Now on this day, the tricolor is given a lot of importance and prominence. As you all can see, the entire school premises is decorated and adorned with the tricolors. What is the importance of tricolor in Independence Day is what I want to highlight on this 78th day. As you all can see, children, in this tricolor, there are three different colors. The first one is a saffron color, which indicates that the people of India have the great strength and the sacrificial behavior. Next one is the white color, which indicates the peace and purity. As the Indians are very pure and pious in their minds and heart. They are peace-loving people. And third color is green color, which indicates the fertility and the life, which India very significantly possesses because of the greenery what we have in our country. It is the richest country in the form of wealth and natural resources. And in between the white color, you can see Ashoka Chakra, which is also called the Dharma Chakra, which is the significance of the wheel, the life. And we always believe that Indians will always be striving ahead, forging ahead, because we don't believe in standstill where the life will come to a halt. So that is the significance of this tricolor, which we all take pride. Ghar Ghar Tiranga, as our Prime Minister is very strongly advocating. Now let me tell you, children, not only are these colors just taken for the sake of colors. Our country has progressed in these 78 years, so in every field. And you know that India is first in the production of milk, it is first in the production of vegetables, pulses, and also nuts. It is second in the production of cereals. So I feel that India is going and doing very well in the field of agriculture. And second thing, in the field of technology also, India is progressing immensely. And you know, I've heard very recently that till now we have come till 5G technology. And very soon 6G technology is going to be introduced, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji wants India to become the first country to bring forward the 6G technology. So IIT Madras is working with the scientists of ISRO to bring this 6G technology by 2030. So I feel that our country will progress in each and every field. And I want that all of you, by the time you grow up, India will become a very strong economy, and all of you will benefit. Your lives will take a new turn being in this country, and I want all of you to serve your country with full dedication, love and affection. So once again, I would like all of you to know that this is the 78th Independence Day, and you should know that India is progressing and it has become the 5th richest economy, leaving behind Germany, the countries like Germany, even England it is trying to, almost pump. So I want each one of you to work very hard and make this country the greatest country ever any country or anyone has seen. Thank you so much for listening.